here they get those ants. You got the hive tool?
I don't have the hive tool. We got full soup for him. That's for sure.
They need a real inner cover instead of this.
Well, I'm gonna leave that router with you, and maybe
We don't necessarily have to leave it with me because we're gonna work on this stuff this week. I'm putting this over here because you've seen all them beetles. Okay, I see cap, 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 short frame, cap, cap, cap. Probably this is mostly cap. Maybe this one and this one are not. Let's run them out of it.
Alright, get your bandit on it and put the bandit board on. Woo, I didn't like it.
No, and I didn't want to set it down because there was bees on there. They said that if it touches them, it will kill them.
These are big ones. They
Huh?
eat that one. Oh,
What's that?
drone. Man, I'm telling you what, we got to do something about these ants. Look at this.
I know. What I need to do
Put
is
ant
I got to
granule
clean
around
around, and then I need to put the granules all around this whole stand. Okay, let them go, and then let's put this thing on here.
Which
on
one's
this other
that?
one, the one with the double. So, honey bandit on the board, trying to get them to start running down out of those supers, and then we're gonna do the same thing over here.
This one?
Zoom in on that one a little bit. Yep, that one.
Drop off, would you? Where's that hive tool? Well, I don't know. Looks like there may be some, but I don't think it's all going to be full.
I see these two are capped. Oh, I do see caps here.
Put that on it. Let's see what they do. That's the only two boards you got?
Yeah.
Right now.
Okay.
You want to break it loose first? This one's ready.
think it's ready. It's got a lot of bees in it. Watch your hand, watch your hand.
You think I got a lot? You need to put this back on?
Something. But yeah, that one's cool.
I don't even know which side was which.
Let me see, pick it up. This is the sprayed side. Okay, they definitely have to get something. Hold on, move that. Put that over there. They're gonna go back in the hive. Look, pick this super up and put it over there.
You better get me another super ready to set on here.
I got this deep.
Oh, that's right.
I got the deep coming.
Is this broke loose?
No. Where's the hive tool?
Right here.
They flying out now. Hold on. Ease up, ease up. Because they don't have no room. Ooh, and there's buzzing out like they're swarming.
Get this thing out. So I can put that up on there and I can set this back on top, smoke them down into it.
Oh God, and this one has a bad handle. Okay, it's broke loose, but the handle is broken, is rotten. You're
gonna have to handle that one because I ain't got gloves.
Okay, where am I setting it? That one, hold on, that one's ready, isn't it?
Pretty much.
Okay, take that one. Girls, I know. I don't like it.
Are you ready?
Hold on. Smoke this one. You should have just put some of these nitrile gloves on, Daddy. Easy. Okay. Before we put anything else on them, I want to put those new beetle gel things on there.
And then set that on there and smoke them down.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the beetle gel next to the...
Boy, that one there had some honey.
I'm telling you. And actually, whenever I went through that box the other day, she was in the bottom. So I actually think
that's all honey.
We might be getting the floor this time. Maybe. Oh yeah, look. So these actually like open. When you close it. And then you kind of... But I could not find it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. And then it's like the way it's shaped, they can just run them right here.
Alright, you want to pick that back up?
I need one more. I'm gonna put two. Because they have a lot of beetles get in there. Even as strong as they are, they still... If they weren't as strong as they are, they wouldn't make it back here. And ants. Oh, God, that's heavy. Alright, Super Hive is set up. I'm just going to check. I don't think that this is going to have anything. But I'm just going to check them. up in it really good. But I do have some beetles, so I need some traps. Then this one good too. This is the nuke with the tiny queen. Whoa. I need to stop calling her that. Not happy. They actually are starting to seal honey. I need to stop talking bad about her. Alright, y'all are on YouTube.
Chip, huh?
I don't even know. No, it's no. Have you tasted it?
I haven't.
It's like.
You ever saw that video that
you
guy?
tasted it, didn't you, Caitlin?
Yeah. This one
It's got like a vanilla flavor to it.
What?
Hey, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to all the people who have subscribed to the channel, who like the videos. Thanks again for watching. We hope you continue watching. This was last year's honey harvest, and hopefully I do a little bit better job of getting this posted this year, because I do plan to continue doing these videos to update you guys so you can see our wonderful honey and the products that we get from our bees. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you continue to watch, support us through our Facebook page, our Etsy shop, all of those great things, and come back and see us again next year. Thank you.